Before this video gets started, I wanted to mention I made a couple of videos recently, one here about NeoVim and one about some Vim tricks. Sort of took off a bit on the channel. I mean, there's not like a ton of views, but you know, in terms of the size of my channel, it's quite a bit, so there might be a few people watching the channel, which is actually sort of surprising to me. Anyways, I think probably mostly because of these two videos, the channel has actually crossed 1,000 subscribers here, and 1,000 subscribers is actually sort of a big deal for smaller YouTube creators, because actually that means that you can monetize your channel. My channel used to be monetized. They changed the rules a few years back after some of the ads and stuff. It's not really important. Basically the deal is 1,000 subscribers is a pretty big deal, and it's cool, and I'm not trying to like brag or anything. I just wanted to say thanks for anyone who's subscribed recently. I'm glad you're enjoying a few of the videos that I've uploaded, and I can't always promise that I'll make videos that people are super into, but you know, I'll keep doing my thing, and hopefully you'll enjoy it.